Hey guys, Glenn here from TJM Northern Beaches. It is day one of the National 4x4 show at Homebush. We are kicking it off big time here. We are stand number 110, so get down to see us. We're in the dome. If you need to find us, check out, we've got the biggest banner in the joint. Guys, I got Mark from TJM Penrith here. He's helped us out with the stand at the Sydney show. We've got his decked out GR Sport behind us. He's going to give us a rundown on what he's done to it.
Well, first of all, on the GR, we've got the Outback front bar, 215 driving lights there. Of course, the 12.5 winch, all tucked away. Our brush bars, well used, some nice scratches from the last few weekends off-road.
Check this out.
Got our AirTech snorkel going on to some aftermarket air boxes in there for some performance. And then we move around the back and we've got MSA drawers. Fully opened, best feature with the lights. And under the drawers we've got a full dual battery setup, so TJM set up with dual compressor. Under that we've also got 2100 watt inverter and 200 amps of lithium, so good setup for getting off-road.
Suspension, mate, what's underneath it?
We've got the Lovell's 4200 GVM kit in ours at the moment. Next mods I think probably move up to a set of 35, some custom flares I think that are about to turn up for new product development. And our TJM rear bar once we actually get a few more of them in stock.
Yeah, sweet mate, awesome, sounds good. All right, good luck with the rest of the show.
Same to you guys, thank you.
Cheers.
All right, Jamie here from PVS Automotive. We specialise in Land Cruiser upgrades. As you can see behind me, we've got a lot going on our cars, interior, exterior, head unit, steering wheels, suspension, lift kits, whatever you need done.
Beauty. Tell us about that 79, mate. What's been done on that one?
So the 79 behind me has a double GVM upgrade. We've got the superior core conversion, as well as the Mark's 4-drive portal axles. We've got 14-inch tyres from Maxxis and ROH wheels. The interiors are by Recaro, so we've done a BMW influence with the interior to match the 8-speed automatic gearbox.
Beauty, and you got the 6x6 as well, yeah?
Yes, we have a 6x6 Land Cruiser as well. It's got cognac interior, and that's going to get finished this year as well with the tray and canopy. The show's awesome this year. It's a bit cold outside, but inside here is beautiful. We've got heaters on. We're selling jumpers, t-shirts, the whole lot here too. So
my name's Maria. I own this 1995 80 Series Land Cruiser. It's freshly had turbo added to the 1FZ engine. It's making about 361 horsepower at the wheels. That's on 33s, not 35s as well. So I am running the F4R fulcrum suspensions, remote res shocks and coils all around.
Yeah, who installed it?
Tony at the Arundel workshop.
How do you find the show? Is it good?
It's good, yeah, definitely. It's actually my first time being on a stand, let alone the show. So it's definitely a bit more good to be out there, but it's good fun. It's good fun.
Hello mate, how are we doing?
Well, Lockie from Outback Tourer, how you doing?
Yeah, good. Tell us about it. What are you doing?
What are we doing? We are here, Sydney 4x4 show. Pretty busy, good crowd, showing everyone our lovely rooftop tents. We got something for everyone.
You know, if you were to pick a tent, which one would you be like?
It's very hard. All the tents are dialed, they're awesome. Probably the big Z tent has been the most popular this weekend. Can be running heaps of different variations, fits the whole family, and no one's ever wished for less room. So if you're down here, good to check it out.
I'm 6'1", you know, and a bit of a big boy. Do you reckon it'll fit me in there?
Big boy. I'm not very vertically gifted. I reckon you definitely fit in there. Yeah, we give it a go soon.
Oi, Crossy.
Oh.
Morning, afternoon.
How's it going, mate?
Yeah, good.
How's the view from up there?
Mate, I'm looking at some beautiful rigs from up here, I can tell you.
Yeah.
The best one is right there.
Oh, yeah.
Been working hard on that all week.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, you deserve the nut, mate. You deserve it.
Yeah, big day. Another couple of days ahead of us. We'll get through it.
Sweet,
Hopefully
mate.
see you all soon.
No worries, mate. Thanks for that. You can go back to sleep now.
Thank you.
Eddie, what is your best TJM product that you've seen so far at the show?
My favorite is obviously the new 300 series rear bar. As you can see, you can fit 2 jerrycans and a 35.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That goes pretty much for all the width of the car.
Yep.
The new handles, if you got problems with your hands, you need something ergonomical. If you already use an ergonomical mouse, for instance, maybe you want to look into these handles. It's a lot nicer, jokes apart, and they got this nice latching system, so they will latch in, allowing you to let go of the arm and then do up your hand with one hand if you're really tricky. But I'm not left-handed, but yeah, still. So you unlatch it, swing it out, and it will latch on the outer position as well.
Yeah.
So it's now latched,
Doesn't move.
and it's not gonna close up on you while you're trying to grab something from a drawer.
You want to sleep up
Oh,
here?
Crossy, you
Shut
still
up.
having a snooze. Sorry, mate. So on that note, we better be quiet because Crossy's trying to sleep, and we'll wrap up day one.
Staying here tomorrow. See you guys then.
It's been a great day for a Friday, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
Oh, hello, mate.
Oh, morning.
Yeah, hello. How we doing?
Good.
Yeah.
So day 2, National 4x4 show, down here at TJM. So we just woke up in the rooftop tent, as you can see. Everyone's here already. We're expecting a big day. We've got 15% off store-wide, so come down and see us. We're handing out little lucky dips, prizes. Come down and see us, get a quote from the boys. So we've got quite a few suppliers. We'll reach out and say good day, and we'll give you some more feedback as we get on with the day.
Beauty. I might have to take a nap soon, shortly.
Yeah,
Oh, someone's already in there.
someone's ready to go.
All right.
Guys, we're here with Tash from RV Storage Solutions, the guys that do the drawers. How's the show been going for you?
Yeah, really good. Really good Friday.
Sweet,
Very
sweet.
happy.
Show us what you got.
All right, so on display we have the 300 series Land Cruiser with our fridge drawer combo, which has the Evercool fridge drawer in it. So you get the nice flat surface across the top, pack all of your suitcases and other bits and pieces on top. And then you've got a nice 40-litre fridge in there, which is plenty big enough for 2 people.
Ooh.
And then if we head over onto the other part of the stand over here, we have our Tourer configuration consisting of our 85-litre upright fridge. This one's really good for those full-time travellers who really just need to deck out the car. They're going to go for a long period of time.
I love it. Got it in mind.
Yep, I like an upright fridge. Then our most popular configuration is our easy access combo. So this one drawer, chest fridge, upright fridge, has our travel slide drawer, which has the fridge slide, and then the pull-out table that comes out past, which I'm pretty sure you've also got in
Yes,
your
I
vehicle.
do. That all opens up.
Yep. So this
Sweet.
one's very popular. And then we've got our traditional twin drawer system, with or without the tilt slide, with or without an inbuilt fridge slide. Good, plenty of storage, and in alloy, nice lightweight.
Sweet. All right. Well, thanks for that, Tash, and good
worries.
luck with the rest of the show.
Thanks, you too.
Cheers.
All right, here's trouble. What are we doing here, mate?
Mate, we are here at the Maxxis stand with the homies. We've got a lot going on here.
Yeah, so we got $1,000 worth of free tyres, and we got $150 if you buy a set of tyres between now and Christmas. You get a cashback. So we've got a few little promos going on. We got the basketball game going in the background there, get a bag of Maxxis goodies, and yeah, then we got the show going outside, so it's all going on.
It's all happening here. We've got Mount Maxxis running out the back as well with Mad Matt, which is a really cool thing. Plus, we've got the entire Maxxis range on display: Razors, ATs, MTs, Treps, and everything in between. So it's Saturday too. Crowd's pumping.
People everywhere today, but it's the spot to be.
We bloody love it.
Yeah, well, you going to start the 80 up, mate, or what?
Mate, I don't think you'd ever see someone kicked out of a room quicker than if I started that car up when there was 20,000 people walking through. But look, I'll do anything for a bit of money, so who knows.
Paddy, how we going, mate?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, how's the stand going?
Yeah, it's grouse. Getting a few people through now, so all admiring the 80 in all its glory and its peeling paint, but nah, it's been good. So
good. Yeah, plenty of punters coming around and saying hello.
Yeah, it's been really good meeting everyone. Always at these shows. It's a good time of the year, so yeah, it's been great.
Yeah, good stuff. How's the OCAM going?
Yeah, it's been really good. Had all the tents set up and all the awnings out, so it's a good chance for everyone to come over and actually see what they're like in the flesh. So yeah, it's been good.
Completely different to see it actually open. People
100%. You got to get in there and feel it, try it. So yeah, it gives people a real idea of what rooftop tent life is all about. So yeah.
Yeah. So what's next, mate? What's the next big trip?
We're heading direct from here on Monday up to the Wattigans. Then we're doing a heap of four-wheel driving up there and going to Lithgow and more camping, more four-wheel driving. So going to be a busy couple of weeks, but I'm really looking forward to it.
And obviously plenty of video footage from that.
Oh yeah, get subscribed because yeah, plenty of videos come from that trip. So hopefully we don't break too much, but I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be fun.
So we've given Ed the day off from the workshop, and he's here at the show giving us a hand. It's been very, very good because there's a lot of technical questions that customers want answered, and he's able to do that. So what do you think of the show, mate?
No English.
Oh, no English?
No English.
Come on, mate.
There's a lot of fucking...
One more thing. What's your favourite car here so far?
My favourite color, blue.
Your favourite car?
My favourite car? Oh, there's a Gladiator back there. That's super nice.
Guys, I got Mick here from Clearview Accessories. How's the show going, mate?
Mate, the show at the moment's going quite well. We're looking for a big success over the weekend, and we're happy to see people down here.
Sweet, mate. You got your rig here behind us. Show us what you got.
So, number one, we've got our compact mirrors. We've got 3 settings on the mirrors themselves. Setting 1 we're at, setting 2 we're at, and setting 3 we're at. Now, all our mirrors are hand-built, and they're vehicle specific. So whatever your car has, we make it to suit and make sure that all the features are there for you.
All right, we're here. We've got Brad from Bendix to talk about the new 300 series kit upgrades that they've got.
This is one of my favourite kits because this is a bolt-on upgrade kit, brake pads, rotors, ultimate four-wheel drive, full set of braided stainless steel braided lines, easy for TJM, the guys at TJM to fit. It's 100%. A simple job, and it really makes a difference.
Mate, it's brilliant. I actually had to use it on the way here, otherwise this puppy would not have made it. Yeah, she had to pull up real quick in the wet as well.
That's a wrap. The National 4x4 show at Sydney. Massive turnout. Thanks for all coming. What a show. We've had such a good time. A lot of products going over the line, a lot of quotes going out, and we'll see you next year. Thank you.